guys, I'm going to teach you how to play Dead Flowers by the Rolling Stones. It's only really 2 basic parts, and with the addition of one little extra trick at the very end. Make sure you watch all the way to the end. Let's dive in. Here we go. Okay, so the basic rhythm is down, up, up, down, up. So make sure you have that first. Again, it's down, up, down, up, down, up. It's got a little swing to it as well. Okay, a little snap on that up strum. Okay, the intro, verse, and chords behind the solo are as follows. It's D, A, G, and then D. It's a 4-chord progression, okay? That will go 4 times, okay? It's going to go down, up, 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 down, up. Okay? So take that line times 4, and you've got your verse and your solo. I think it only goes like maybe once or twice as an intro, but those are the basic 4 chords. So the chorus is the same 3 chords, but just arranged differently. It's going to go A twice, D twice. And that whole thing is done twice itself. So A again, D again, D again. And then there's the next section which goes G for 2 measures, D for 2 measures, and that will go 3 times. So G, G, D, D, another one, G, G, and D, D. And then finally it's D, A, G, D. The same 4 chords that was in our intro, verse, and solo, those are going to happen at the very end of each chorus as well, with a little extra something on that last chorus, so stay tuned. So here's the entire chorus. Now the very last chorus, I'm glad you stayed tuned, that very last chorus, there's a little trick there. It does that exact same thing. That chorus happens on the last chorus, and then at the very end he adds another D, A, G, D, which is normally what's happening in the end of every single chorus, also in our intro, verse, and solo. But here's how it's done. He does this. Okay, so it goes D, down, up, one strum on A, G, and I'll hit it a couple times, which builds tension, ending on a D. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you watching to the very end. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. Share it with someone who you might think wants to learn this song. And please comment below. Let me know what you want to learn. I'll be happy to post a new video just for you.